Little known fact, fonts are used to make words so people could read them. Not a lot of people know this. This is a technique that nobody wants you to know. Today we're gonna be designing with fonts. Which fonts, you might ask? The fonts from thefont.com. Guys, it's crazy how this website has not changed how it looks. UI, UX, fuck that. We don't give a shit. It's gonna look the same, but it's always been there, especially when you were beginning. Remember your first font? You went on this website because I did as well. I was downloading like this font Anime Ace so I can make these weird Gmod comics back in the day. I was using GIMP. You guys remember GIMP? What a weird name. Really never caught on. Today we're gonna be using the top 5 the font fonts. Top 5 the font. Say that 5 times. Today we're gonna be using the top 5 the fonts.com. Anyways, we're just gonna use the top 5 fonts on thefont.com. See, how hard was that? So first up is Clovetica. Guys, OBS did not record anything I just did for Clovetica. So we got here because Clovetica, what's cool than being cool? First I said ice cold, like the song. But then I was like, wait, what's cooler than being cool is climate change policy. Guys get it? You know, what's cooler than being cool is the planet not like burning up. So I could continue to make these dumb videos. What I like to do in my work is that I like to say my opinion. I'm not that shy about my political beliefs, my spiritual beliefs, or any dumb opinion I have. Because it's my work, you know. You should be able to say whatever you want with your work. Whether that opinion is right or wrong, well, that's for the world to decide. I think I am what do they call it? I think they call it a flat earther. But you shouldn't stop yourself from saying whatever it is you want. And I'm also always correct. So we're not done. I'm trying to figure it out. Like I put a gradient map. I'm like, oh look, it's like a descend from heat from cold because this is a picture of ice. So I kind of like this. You're being surrounded by climate change. This will change your mind. Actually, people who are climate change deniers, stop. Come back, look at this poster, and tell me it didn't convince you climate change is real. This is a condensed version of Clovetica, and I love crammed regular. I think we should make the normal name for compressed or condensed fonts crammed. This is good. I like that. I like this. Let me just change the... This is a placeholder. This is not actually what. Let me go look at some facts. Wait a second. This is from 2018. 45% by 2030. Guys, it's 2023. We have 7 years left. Actually, guys, I was reading this. It makes me depressed. So maybe I should make this funny, or not funny. Maybe, guys, please. 7 years left. We're gonna be hot forever. We're gonna die. Anyways, let's get to the next one. Chopin Script. Chopin? How do you say this font? Anyways, this font sucks. This looks like the Coca-Cola logo. I hate script fonts, man. I hate script fonts. Like when I was making this poster, I had a headache. I have a headache, man. I have a headache. And then this font made me get me more of a headache. This is actually not the first time I've used Chopin Script. Every year, Elliot is a Cool Guy does this 7 days of bad fonts, and this was on there last year. I'm pretty sure I commented the most liked comment on his page ever. The comment was, "She Chopin on my script till I bada boom." I would like to be awarded for having the most liked comment in Elliot's Instagram comments. Elliot, please send me the trophy. Anyways, Chopin Script sucks. Chopin. It's like chopping. Maybe do a woodsy type design. What chopping wood? What do I say with chopping? I hate Chopin Script, man. What do I do with this? What do I do with it? Like script posters. These are not script fonts. Okay, this is kind of cool. Oh, this is kind of fun. What are these little swishes? Can I change these? I hate this. Who the hell? What if I do it? Who the hell? This could be red. Who the hell uses script fonts anyways? Who uses this? Who uses these? Who does this? This is giving Harley Quinn. What if we lean into that clownery? Script fonts is for clowns. Only clowns use script fonts. I don't think I've ever seen a good script font in my life. Oh, okay. Oh god, guys, this one really took me out of me. Bevel emboss. Oh, look, it's gold, guys. Make it glow. Okay, that's too much glow. What even is this? I feel like so much just happened. This is why I hate script fonts. It's just script fonts make me anxious. Make it pop like that with this lens flare kit from Album Art Archive. I don't like them. That looks good. I just want to move on. Guys, I have a headache now. Like, I have a headache. I want a burger. I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna go get a burger.
2 hours later.
Hello, it's been a couple hours later. I had like a huge headache, like Chopin Script, like I just felt awful. But now I ate some wings. I took a nap. I drank some headache medication. What do we got next? What do we got next? What the dude, really? This is the next one? Oh, come on. Waltograph. Guys, I thought Chopin Script was bad. Now Waltograph is here. It's Waltograph. What am I gonna do with this? I refuse to believe that this is the third most downloaded font on the font. Literally, the only thing you can make is Walt Disney parodies. Like, exclusively, how many Disney parodies can you make? What are you designing with this? A malt whiskey? A malt whiskey? Okay, that's pretty good. I am a believer of like, oh, fonts, you could do anything with a font. Like, it's just a skill issue. Walter White and Meth Labs? Okay, well. But this is the final boss of fonts, okay? Very cheesy pictures. She wants to D, okay. Because I can't make anything as cool as malt whiskey. Of that saying, like, oh yeah, you can make anything look good with a font. Okay, like I kind of refuse. I don't believe that anymore because I've encountered this font. War Dirty Tortures. Okay, I like that. Wrong Castle. I can't show that on YouTube. Hogwarts. I guess don't have the imagination, I guess, to think of Walt Disney parodies. Corporations. Disney is a corporation. I'm in the complaining mood, so corporations. So I guess I just scrambled up, like, what is Disney? Disney is a corporation. Corporations are not your... Wait, what if I just write that? Corporations are not your friends. Oh, that looks like ass, bro. What? Oh, we have to put it. I was out of ideas, guys. I will never use this font again. This is actually not that good. It's not a good t-shirt. Sorry. Like, this is probably the worst thing I've ever made. If I were to rank Waltograph, just 0 out of 10. I hate this font. Also, Chopin Script, that's a 3 out of 10. Not good. Bad. Lemon Milk. Finally, we get a good font. I love Lemon Milk. This is one of my favorite fonts of all time. Lemon Milk was there before I even had Futura. Like, this is my first love. And you know what they say? You'll never forget your first. And I've never forgotten Lemon Milk. One of the first projects I've ever worked on was done entirely in Lemon Milk. You know what I realized about this font is there is no small caps. It's just screaming. Take the headache medicine. This came to me when I had a headache earlier. I think I was like, well, I shouldn't take the headache medicine because, I don't know, I'm a big boy. I should just not take it. But I think I should just taken it, you know? When I recorded me designing, I was like, I don't want to take the medicine because maybe I could just power through it like a champ. Except that I did not do that because my head hurt and I just took it. You know, there's no glory in suffering. You know, nobody's like giving you a medal for suffering through that headache. Just take the medicine. Just take the headache medicine. See, look, it's like literally I would do this with Futura, but I didn't have Futura back then. I only knew about this. I only knew about Lemon Milk. I still love this font so much. I love this font. I love how bold it is. You know, just take it. It's fine. It's okay. This poster is the sign that you should take the headache medicine. No, just take 2 of them bitches.
I need just 2 pills. Oh, there we go. Yes. Yes. I am in the Matrix and I just took the blue pill. You know you'll love a classic overset text poster right here. I will rather die than stop doing top text, bottom text, picture in the middle. You know, that's just classic overset text. Kind of like how small that is. We're gonna do content aware. Wait, what? Can you not even do content aware fill now? Wait, what? How is this slower than like generative fill? Like how? Oh, there we go. Nice. I just decided I'm not gonna be coward. I'm actually gonna change this to also fully lemon milk. We're gonna go full lemon milk. You know, I was like, does it not look good? But I doubted lemon milk when it actually does look good with this. Look at that. That still looks good. Oh my goodness, that looks good. That looks good. Guys, maybe it's a headache medication that I took earlier, but I'm feeling good. That's good. That looks that looks good. All right, let's move on.
Lemon Milk is a great font. I would still use this, honestly. I would still use it. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 font. I love Lemon Milk. I'm gonna put that on the shirt. It says, I love Lemon Milk. That's a shirt soon. Overset text merch. I love Lemon Milk. I love it.
Bevis new. It's Bevis new, guys. It's Bevis new. It's like one of the greatest all-timer fonts. I don't care what people say about Bevis new. This was also there for me when I didn't have Futura.
You know what it is? It's because like there's not a lot of good sans serif condensed fonts, and this was the only one I could find that was free.
I worked at the newspaper that I used to work at. This is the only thing I would use for the headline. Like, I made a style guide. We had 2 fonts that we would use: Bevis new or Playfair Display. Because this font is so good, okay? You can do anything with it. It's so versatile. It's nice and condensed. Like, come on. Like, that's just good. Like, you can say anything on it. You can say anything. You can say anything with Bevis. Call me Bevis the way I be acting new. I like that. That looks nice.
Bevis new, I give it a 1,000 out of 10 because it's so good. Ranking this entire experience, the font, there's a lot of great fonts on the font. Other than Chopin Script and Waltograph, they're fun to use. The font is great. It's a great website. I love it. Here are the designs. I think they turned out pretty well, except for Chopin Script and Waltograph. I just gave up on those. Those suck. Thank you for watching, and like, comment, subscribe.
Lemon milk, lemon milk, lemon milk, lemon. This is my song for lemon milk. I don't care what they say. I'm in love with you. I love lemon milk. I'm gonna use it on every piece of text on this poster. Oh, that looks good.